For this video, we're going to finish up our final two boxes. Again, we're going to add a multi-line text. We're going to do this in that middle lower box. We're going to, again, put our middle left justification, putting a space in to start. Then you're going to type in date, and you're going to put in the field, you're going to select create date, and then you're going to select either the month, day, year with the 2 years, or the month, day, year with the 4, and hit OK. Until you save your file, you won't notice a date actually in that box. Our last rectangle, we're going to put a multi-line text in that as well. Middle left justification, putting a space in. We're going to type in scale. We're going to put in field. From our field names, we're going to choose object, and we're going to do the selection tool, clicking on the edge of your viewport, that line that's in that big open area. Then we're going to select custom scale and use scale name. And then we're going to hit click out. You'll notice that it might not fit right now. That's okay, because we're going to make sure in the end that we are going to select a proper scale name, and we can resize our viewport to fit the whole space now and hit escape. Now we're going to save our object. We're going to change our file type to an AutoCAD drawing template. Give it a name like template Imperial and hit save. When this comes up, go ahead and hit OK. We're leaving our options the same. Make sure the measurement's English. Thank you, puppy. And we're going to also make sure to save a copy of this in your home drive. Now, to see how this changes, if you activate the viewport in the center by clicking paper and choosing something like 1-to-1, so you'll notice the viewport is active. You'll see it highlighted in the color you chose for your viewport layer. I changed it to 1-to-1. If I want to lock it so I can't change the viewport the scale accidentally, I can click the lock right here. To deactivate the viewport, I either double click out or I click on the word model. So clicking on paper activates model space. Clicking on model returns you to paper space. And then when I save this, the scale will update.